All right, Tracy, thank you. Well, you know, the issue of aging parents is one that many of us face, and the awkwardness of discussing their financial matters with them is something that many of us feel. And, you know, the holidays may provide the perfect time to broach that subject, but how do you do it? Well, here to give us some guidance is our retirement expert, Burke Rosenthal. Thank you very much for being with us today.
Thank you for having me.
Well, you know, these issues of money and retirement and even long-term health care are very sensitive and personal matters for parents. How do you begin to broach these things?
It is a little difficult. I almost equate it to going to the dentist. It's not comfortable, but it's necessary.
Yes. Yeah.
And it's necessary because a recent survey estimates that today's baby boomers may spend as much time taking care of their aging parents as they actually spent raising their own children.
My goodness.
It's very, very important. And the easy way to approach it is to simply let those aging parents know that if and when the time comes and they need your help, that you're there for them.
Well, exactly how then do you convince folks who have been so used to being the ones in charge and taking care of you to now share this very information with you, the child?
The best place to start is to let them know that the more you understand about their financial situation, the better prepared you will be and the better able you'll be to help them if and when the time comes.
Which makes good sense, because that is so important, because you never know exactly when that might be.
Exactly.
Well, now that we've talked about that, just what exactly is it that children should know about their parents' finances?
The most important issue is, do they have a will and other estate planning documents? And then as important as that, if they have those documents, where are they located? In addition to knowing if they have a will or not, some other important items are, what type of insurance policies do they have? Do they have long-term care insurance? If they have life insurance policies, who are they with? What are the account numbers? Where are their savings and investments? Where are they held? What are the account numbers? What type of savings and investments programs are they? Do they have a safety deposit box?
Very important.
Where is it?
Yes,
Where's the key?
Exactly. Where's the key to this
Exactly.
thing?
Who are their professional advisors? Financial, tax, legal, etc. And then finally, what are their final wishes when they pass away? The last thing we want is an argument among heirs as to what they thought mom and dad wanted.
In fact, I've seen many families divided over that very issue, which comes from a place of love. Everyone's, you know, concerned and caring, but they actually end up in major factions, you know, trying to decide what to do with their parents' remains.
Exactly.
Well, that having been said, why then would parents be so reluctant to share this information?
I think there's a couple of issues. For example, let's say parents have accumulated a sizable estate and a lot of assets. There could be a fear that if they share that information with their adult children may become unmotivated, quit work and lay back and wait for that big fat inheritance.
Right.
That's one situation we might run across. Another would be the parents may not have accumulated what they had hoped they'd accumulate financially, and they may be fearful that they'll be judged by their adult children. And so those are two areas that are somewhat touchy.
Well, this last question, coming from an expert's perspective, because you've probably seen some tragic stories where there weren't those conversations held and planning wasn't done. How important really is this?
It's extremely important. It helps the process run so much smoother. And I think there are tons of policies out there that have never been paid out because nobody knew they existed.
Exactly.
I mean, that's the simple example, but...
Well, Burke Rosenthal, thank you. As always, very good information. If you'd like further information, you can always log on to our website, which is txa21tv.com, and you can always click on links.